Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to bring you to a premium strategy that is going to actually make you wealthy trading the Forex synthetic market. You see, a lot of people are losing money simply because they are not consistent or they don't have a good strategy, right? So this is a course that will help you to trade with consistency and profit. So it is the real strategy that I personally use to attack the market. So the title of the strategy is 𝒓𝒐𝑳𝑧. 𝒓𝒐𝑳𝑧 means WFS Infinity Profit FS Synthetic Indices Trading Strategy. It is about 8 videos. Okay. Each video is going to pay you hugely, and when you watch all the video to the very end, you are going to be automated profit maker in the Forex synthetic market. The cost of getting this a training or mentorship for you to have access to these videos, because they are private right now, for you to have access to this video, it's gonna cost you $150. But after, because I have already made a video about this, and the title of that video was the title of the video was so let me get it. I have done video about this in the past, and so the title was I think it's very, very important I go and get the video. I've done the video in the past. So I was talking about it was a very serious stuff. So see it here. This is what I'm looking for. I stopped losing money trading. So I'm gonna open the video. Okay.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market in today.
So the title was I stopped losing money trading synthetic indices using this single strategy. So if you go to the description of that video, it was actually telling you to get the strategy and be free, right? Now, under the video information, now look at what you are going to do.
Hello.
Look at what you are going to do. You pretty much need to have access to this playlist. Once you pay your $150 and you're verified, your payment is confirmed, you'll be given this playlist link so that you have access to it, because it's private. You cannot be able to access it on YouTube because the videos are not public. Okay. Once you watch all the videos, you become profitable automatically. One of the dangerous part of this course is that after the first 100 in release, after the first 100 students, the cost of getting this course will be times 100. And that is exact thing I said in the video introduction. If you keep on watching,
Video are going to deliver a lot of trader from losing money. You get this strategy. The strategy will be selling at a very cheap price for the first 10 people to get this strategy. But once I have received 10 students, the cost of getting the strategy will go by 10 times. Imagine you're losing money steady, you're losing money steady, you're losing money steady. You're not making money from this market year upon year when people are start celebrating Xmas, and you're supposed to celebrate. You're supposed to come up.
So you heard what I said there? I said the price will go by 10 times. So $150 for the first 100 students, but after that, you are going to buy it at $1,500, and you don't want to be on this kind of high cost. Anything that pays it's worth it. So if you deposit $500 10 times and you lose all of them 10 times, like you deposit, you lose, you deposit, you lose 10 times, that means you have lost $5,000. But right now, you can get this course at $150, a token of $150 to grow any type of account to infinity. So even if it is still sold at $1,500, it's better to actually buy it instead of depositing $1,500 and lose it up to 10 times. That is $15,000. Knowledge is power. Try to have access to this course and become supreme, become powerful trader, become a successful trader. Okay, bye for now.